Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post weekly videos about all things print on demand, and today I have a very fun video for you guys. I'm actually doing a second Redbubble haul. So if you guys haven't seen my first Redbubble haul, I ordered a bunch of items from my own shop just to test the quality, see how they look in person, and just have some of my own pieces because I had never ordered my own pieces before. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it above here and you guys can check it out because I had some really good pics and I was actually really impressed with the quality of everything that came. So I was lucky enough for Redbubble to offer me to do this video again and send me some more items from my shop. I did pick all these items out myself, but I did ask you guys a while back what kind of items you want me to order to test the quality and everything, so I did take that into consideration and I ordered some of those products as well. So let's get into the video and see what I got. But before I start unboxing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the smallest package first and then work our way to this big guy here. So this is just a little one, and I believe I know what this is, but don't want to ruin the surprise. Okay, so first thing I got here was a Redbubble sticker. As always, they give you lots of Redbubble stickers, and I like that they're always different. So they like get different artists to do these. Okay, so what we have here is a phone case. So it comes in this little pouch, which is actually really nice because I actually didn't expect it to come in anything. So, you know, it's a cute little case. You can, well, not that cute, but it's a case and you can use it for something in the future, maybe like sunglasses, I don't know. And then here is the phone case. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. This one is actually for my sister, so kind of jealous that I'm not keeping it, but I really like how it turned out. As you can see, hopefully it's focusing. It's like one of those like jelly rubber ones, so I like that because I don't really like the super hard ones because I feel like they crack more often. The sides are clear, and yeah, I mean, it seems like a standard jelly phone case. Hopefully it holds up well. I'll see, you know, I'll ask my sister how it holds up after she uses it, but the print looks really nice on it actually. I'm really happy with how that turned out, and the graininess, if you guys can see the graininess, that's from the edit that I did because I want it to look kind of vintage, so it's not because the quality is bad. I just wanted to put that out there in case it looks, I don't know, bad on camera, but in person it looks really good, and happy with the first one. Okay, let's see. Here we have the second smallest package. So this one didn't have any labeling on it, but yeah, I knew it was a Redbubble package. Oh, okay, so this is a t-shirt that I ordered. Oh, and I got another sticker actually. So I got this sticker, kind of cool, kind of spooky. And let's see. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, I haven't even looked at it like from my angle yet, so I'm gonna just like quickly look at it. Yeah, I love this. I think the quality of the t-shirt is like standard t-shirt quality. It's a Gildan t-shirt. I have lots of those from like my university and stuff. So yeah, definitely matches the quality of like other Gildan t-shirts I've had. The design is on there really well. Again, with this one, it also had the grain effect that I added for like that vintage kind of vibe. So that's why it might be a little bit fuzzy, but I like that look. So yeah, and it's very like, even here, like the original image was very faded, so it's not like the t-shirt was faded itself. But I think this is really cute. I feel like it'd be a cute little beach cover up or like, I don't know, lounging around the house shirt. I got this because I don't have enough lounging around the house shirts that are like big and just cozy. So I'm sure this will become one of my new favorites. Let me actually try it on and see how it looks and fits. I believe I got a large, or actually a medium. So I think this is a unisex medium, so it does probably fit a bit bigger than a normal like female medium would fit. Okay, obviously this looks weird with that stuff underneath, but just to get an idea, let's see. Yeah, I like it, and I don't know, I would probably like just tie it up here like that if I was gonna like wear it in public, but for around the house it is perfect and cozy, and yeah, I mean, it fits well. So if you're curious about sizing, This is a medium in just like the regular standard t-shirt, so do with that information what you want. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely big for me, but that's what I wanted, an oversized one. But I feel like it's pretty true to size, so yeah, I think you can just order whatever size you are normally unless you want it to be oversized. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this off because it looks kind of weird with my other shirt underneath. Okay, so product number 2 was also a success. I really loved it. And I think t-shirts were actually one of the most asked about because people want to know what the quality was like. And I haven't ordered from any other print-on-demand sites, so I can't compare it to anything else. But just for like a standard t-shirt that you would see at a store, I think it compares pretty well. Like if you were to go to, like, I don't know, Walmart, or I don't know what other t-shirt stores there are, but like anywhere you'd find just like a standard like printed t-shirt, you know, that really holds up well. And I mean, it's Gildan, so I feel like everyone has had a Gildan shirt in their life, so you kind of know what you're getting, but the actual print looks good on it, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so the next one I have here, I have no idea what this is. Like I said, I ordered this like a month ago, so I kind of forget what I ordered. I'm hoping there's gonna be more than just one item in some of these. Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot about these. I ordered some leggings. So this is one I was curious about and a lot of you guys were curious about. And let's see what the quality is like. Okay, well, first of all, I think the print looks really good on it. Like the color came through so well, and it's really like bright in person, you know, it's not faded like you might think if you're printing something. So yeah, this is like one of my ocean prints, and actually I'm gonna put the pictures of what the listing looked like beside everything. I'll do it for the previous 2 as well, just so you guys can get kind of an idea of what it looks like online versus in person. So I'll put that up right here. I do feel like these leggings are more spandexy, not cottony, so I don't know what you're expecting. I really didn't have any expectations for the leggings, so just as a heads up, that is the material. But it is very stretchy, and I feel like it would be good for working out in. The only thing that I'm curious about is if they're gonna be see-through. Let me see if I like, actually like holds up pretty well. I think they're a little bit see-through, but like most leggings are. I feel like it's very hard to find ones that aren't completely see-through. So yeah, like if I really stretch it out, but I feel like it should be fine when I wear them. So I'm gonna go try those on now. Okay, so I tried the leggings on, and let me show you guys what they look like. I feel like they are definitely a bit tight. Like, I would say size up if you're getting leggings, or unless you're like on the smaller end of whatever size you are, then it's fine. But yeah, they're definitely tight. I thought they'd be like a bit more stretchy, but the top end is kind of tight. I do also wish they were high-waisted. Yeah, they're definitely not high-waisted, and I usually prefer high-waisted stuff, but they definitely look good on, and I will be wearing them, so I'm glad that I have these. They're actually not see-through, which is good, because I was worried that they might be. And they actually fit perfectly for the length because I'm kind of short, so usually leggings like bunch up at the bottom. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like perfectly fine there. So if you're taller, maybe these might be a bit more cropped on you. But overall, I'm really happy with them. Yeah, I feel like for yoga or working out, they're gonna be perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna actually open this box before I get to that big package. I feel like they're both like the same size, so it doesn't really matter what I do next. Oh, okay, perfect. So in this box, there's actually, can't open that. There's actually a few things. So perfect, that definitely means all my items have come. A little box here, and okay, I thought there was gonna be one more thing in there, but maybe it's in the other box. So let's open this guy. I don't know if you guys can tell what it is from my last haul, but I ordered another one of these items because I loved my last one so much and I use it all the time. So I thought that I would order another one. Let's see. Here it is, another travel mug. So last one I ordered was like the blue, one of my ocean travel mugs, and my boyfriend uses it all the time, so I was like, I'm gonna get my own because I got that one for him. So this one is definitely more me. The colors, like I love pastel colors and like paint look. Here, let me show you guys. This is just like a painting I did randomly once. like an abstract one, as you can tell. But I don't know, it's just like a simple pattern and I really like it. I don't know if you guys can tell with the glare, but it's like pastel pink, blue, and like a white cream color. So I think it's super cute, and yeah, they're such good quality. They keep your drinks hot for so long. They like the metal interior and then just like a plastic lid, but I don't know, I've had other tumblers and they haven't been this good and like this sturdy, so I really like them, and that's why I got another one, because I wanted to have, you know, my own. Alright, so that one was another success. As I already knew, it was good quality the first time, so I was expecting the same thing. Came with another sticker in case you guys are interested. Here's one more thing. Oh, I forgot about this too. So I actually ordered a laptop case. So I don't know which way this goes. I think this way. So this is just like a plant I took a picture of on vacation, and yeah, it looks good so far. The inside, I guess you guys can't really see, but it's like fuzzy kind of, like it's very soft. I don't know if you guys can see that material, but it's like kind of like a plush material. But the design was printed on it really well. Pretty sure, yeah, that looks exactly like what it looks like online. And let's see if my laptop fits in it. So I have my laptop here, and it's actually perfect. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I got the right size. Like I didn't just randomly pick one, but I'm glad I have this because I've been wanting a case for a while, and it's very well insulated, or I don't know, like it just has a lot of padding, so I feel like your laptop is very safe in it. So it is another good purchase. Honestly, like just like last time, I'm super impressed with everything. There hasn't been one item that's like, this is kind of questionable quality, and I would definitely use everything I got. So yeah, let's open this big one. Oh, there's a few things in here. So the first one is a tote bag. So this one's actually for my mom. She wanted this and I got it for her. So this is their tote bags. So this print was like a burnt tree that I found somewhere. So like half of it was burnt, half of it wasn't. Okay, it has like this tag that's kind of big. I'll definitely have to cut that off. But yeah, I believe this is a small tote. Looks good, like, yeah, standard tote. I feel like it's a bit small, like you can't fit too much in there, but I mean there are bigger sizes, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, it's just made out of like, I think canvas or something. I don't know if you guys can see. And the straps are just like a black, I don't know what this material is, but it's just like kind of a standard strap material. It's definitely not like an expensive tote bag, and I feel like online it kind of looked like it was gonna be like neoprene for some reason, but I still think it's really nice, and just for like, you know, a casual tote for taking to the grocery store or like the beach or something, I think it's really nice. But I feel like maybe online it looked a bit fancier than what it looks like in person, just like different material, but I still like it, and the print turned out really well on it. Okay, so I think this is my last item, even though, oh no, wait. Okay, I guess one of my items did not show up because I had some coasters that I ordered and they have not been in any of the packages, so I'll have to contact them about that. But this last thing that I got is a backpack. So this was one I was really curious about the quality, and I also really needed a backpack because I don't have one right now because all of mine are really old and like raggedy. So I also just wanted to get a backpack. This one is actually just like a beige color, so I just uploaded like a beige image because I don't know, I just really wanted a plain backpack. Like I didn't want a print one because I feel like on a day-to-day basis I just want one that's really simple, and I didn't know how it would turn out, so I was like, you know what, let me just get a simple one color on the backpack. Even though right now, like in this lighting, I feel like it looks white, but in person it's actually beige. Yeah, it's, I feel like standard backpack quality, like this, I don't know, canvas material or what it is. inside it actually has this like laptop holder, which is nice. It's not just like, you know, a typical backpack with nothing in it. It's definitely very big. Like you could fit a lot in there. Like this would be perfect for traveling once I can do that again. And then it has the front pocket here. Oh, I guess it was already open. So yeah, just, you know, standard front pocket. Then the water bottle holder and adjustable straps. And it's actually like padded on the back here, so I think it'll be like more comfortable for your back. But yeah, this one is also a success, and it's kind of wrinkly right now, but yeah, I think the backpacks are great quality. Like you could definitely find this quality at any backpack or like, I don't know, luggage store around the mall, and I think it will definitely hold up well. I kind of wish I did make like some sort of like simple print for this, because now looking at it, it is a bit plain. But I don't know, when I was ordering it, I just wanted something very simple because I feel like everything else I ordered was like just a print. So yeah, that's why I went with this. But I mean, it'll be nice in any print that you get it. I was supposed to get these coasters right here, but I don't see them anywhere. Yeah. Okay, so definitely will have to message them about that. And yeah, I've had this happen to me before where it said something is delivered and then it doesn't actually come, but it'll show up like a month later out of nowhere. So it's like, oh, okay, like I already told you it didn't come, and now I got sent a new one. But I'm gonna maybe wait like 1 or 2 more weeks and see if it comes, and then if not, I'll message them and let them know that I didn't get my coasters, which is too bad because I was really excited for those. But I mean, everything else was so amazing, and I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So let me know what you guys thought of all the products, and if you have ordered anything from Redbubble, or if you've tried ordering anything different than what I ordered and how they turned out. I'll definitely continue doing these videos because I just like love seeing how everything comes out, and I might even try ordering from some different shops in the future. But I had a credit from my shop from Redbubble, so definitely had to use that. And just want to thank Redbubble for giving me that credit from my shop and allowing me to make this video again for everyone to see all their different products. And yeah, really impressed with everything once again. If you guys are interested in buying any of the items you saw in this video, I have my Redbubble store link down below, and you can actually get 15% off with the code that I have there, so definitely check that out. But that's all I have for today, so give this video a thumbs up if you want to support my channel, and subscribe if you want to see my videos come to your newsfeed and get notifications for them. So yeah, it's just a great way to stay up to date with what I'll be posting next. But that's all I have for today. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!